Hey everybody, welcome back to See Me Joe, Did You Know? Today's tech tip is about cache. Cache is something that is built into all of the websites that you visit. Think of it as a memory. If you are loading a web page, your computer remembers what the logos and the fonts and everything like that look like, so it loads faster. Every once in a while, a web page breaks, and that web page has to be fixed. Say the YouTube logo on the top of this page. If that page is fixed, but your computer still has the old cache stored, your computer is going to pull up the rainy or not good logo, or maybe fonts have gotten messed up and the fonts are not reading properly anymore. So every once in a while, you do need to clear your cache. If you go to a web page and it's looking a little funny, do these steps. Super easy to do. All you're going to do is hit Control-Shift-Delete. It's going to bring up a menu. In that menu, you're going to have the option to delete a couple of different things. I want you to unselect everything and only delete your cache. I do this once a week, but if you're not browsing on lots of sites like I am all of the time, once a month is okay. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next week for more See Me Joe, Did You Know?